R. Roy in Tech. Introducing the serviceable innovative ideas.
Welcome back to a new class on modified rechargeable lamp. So we are in identification and use of training materials. So the next materials we'll be talking about is module. So this is a module that we'll be using to design our modified rechargeable lamp. So if you could remember in our previous videos, we are talking one of the benefits of this modified rechargeable lamp is that it has full battery indicator, it has battery cutoff, battery full cutoff, and also it has battery low cutoff. So this is like a brain of the rechargeable modified rechargeable lamp. So why did I call this as the brain? Because this is what we'll be using to control the battery full. This is what will be giving us the battery full, telling us that the battery is full. Also, when the battery is full, it will stop our battery from overcharging, and also when it detects the battery has reached some certain level, it will stop giving out electricity or charges, as the case may be. So the first one is the input one, mini USB. So if you could see where I labeled one, it is called the input with mini USB cable up to 1A, that's 1 amps. So meaning that you can use this mini USB cable. That's the USB cable that is used for the normal the first or should I say the BlackBerry charger. That's the normal Android USB cord. So you can use it to power the module. So the second one is the input, that's input 2, that's the external. So why I label it external, that maybe for instance you want to, when building your rechargeable battery modified rechargeable lamp, so you don't have a USB cord, the Android USB cord, so you can use an external one. Maybe you should improvise another type of charger, that you have or you think is suitable for the what's it called, is suitable for charging your your rechargeable lamp. So if you want to improvise it, so that's where you'll be using. You see that the top is called input positive, and the downward is what input negative. So like I said in my previous videos, that the positive and negative terminal is very very important in DC electricity. So the third one we'll be discussing is the red LED, so charging. So this is where after you start charging your battery, meaning that you put you plugged your you plug your charger into this module. The number 3 will bring up a light. So it's usually red light, so red LED, because it use red LED. So it will come up telling you that it's already charging. It's already charging the battery you connected to it. So the fourth one is the blue LED, that's full charge. So this will be this where the LED will come up as that 4, telling us that the battery you are charging is already full. The charge is complete. The next one is the fifth one, that's the battery port B plus and B minus. So if you look at the module itself, you see the one I labeled number 5, the B plus, that's the battery plus and the battery negative. So this where the B plus is where you connect to your battery, the positive terminal of your battery, while the B minus is where you are going to connect your battery, the negative terminal of your battery. So the next one is the load port, that's the out plus and out negative. So the output 1, the output positive and output negative. So this is where you connect the load you want to use. So you see that is different from you. I don't know if some of you have experienced connecting, maybe playing with lamp, connect it together. You see, you connect it directly to your battery. So this module will let you to not connect your load, or should I say, so the load we are using here will be our bulb, LED bulb, to power our because the essence of it is to on our bulb, right? So the bulb will be using LED. So we'll be talking that, we'll discuss it that in our next video. So instead of connecting our bulb LED into the battery directly, so we'll be connecting it, we'll have a separate place to be connecting it. That will be output positive and output negative. Like I said in my previous video again, that our DC appliances will also has positive terminal and negative terminal. So back to the first one, that's mini USB input. You see it said that output with mini USB cable up to 1 amps, meaning that the maximum input that can enter this module is should be 1 amps. So that means if you want to use any charger, so make sure it is in 1 amps. So don't, if you try and use 2 amps, it will work, but you will notice that this module itself is you see that it's emitting it, meaning that it will start getting hot, because it is the current entering it is more than 1 amps. So thank you. So that'll be all for this module. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.